Hello everyone, this is Rutrita and welcome back to my channel The Beautiful Soul. I hope you all are doing great. So I just came back from Kerala vacation. I just started unpacking everything and I thought like why not to share my makeup and skincare kit with you all guys. So yeah, here I am sharing with you what to carry while you are traveling for only couple of days, not for long vacation, and just for couple of days. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the bag. This is from the Face Shop, and after opening this bag, as you can see, this is quite filled up. So I will show you one after another. So this is the first thing which I got my hands on. Like this is the Pantene oil replacement. So because you know these baby hairs are always annoying. So after that I have this makeup fixer from MAC. Then we have this illegal primer. Then we have these lashes, so you know why not. And after that we have this my current favorite foundation. This is from L'Oreal True Match. Then we have this concealer. This is from Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Then we have this Batiste hairspray. This is dry shampoo. Then we have this Nykaa Just Wink It palette. This is quite, I really love this palette because this has all the shades which you can you can have in your vacations. Like these some nudes are there, there's some bright golden and bright bronze, and everything is there. So I really love to carry this one. After that we have this V Face Duo powder. This is for like contour and all. After that we have this beauty sponge, beauty blender, which is quite dirty now. I have to clean this out. Then we have this Miniso eyebrow pencil. So I really love to travel with this because it has pulley in one side and another, and this side we have the pencil. So I have picked up from Miniso. If you haven't checked that my Miniso haul yet, so go and check out that. I will link in the description box below. Then we have this mascara. This is their cult favorite. Okay, then we have this liquid highlighter, Becca. This is Becca liquid highlighter in the shade of Opal, and I really love this applicator. It's quite travel friendly when you are traveling. And this is the brush. Like I recently got my hands on this. This is from Bolly Glow. I carried this because it has like this one thing, but it comes with 3 brushes. Like as you can see, it has this angular brush in this part. Then you have this round dome brush, and here is another flat brush. So this is, I feel like, quite travel friendly when you're traveling. Then I carry this Nivea deodorant because you know smelling good is very important. Then this Clinique eyeliner. This is the liquid eyeliner. Comes with this brush, so I really love this. It's easy to apply as well. And for lip color I have like 3. Yeah, for lip color I have these 3 colors. Like I'm using this for quite a time now and I'm really loving the formulation and the color. Now, so this is in the shade of Fashionista. Then we have this Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse in the shade of Coffee Light. And we have this Nykaa Demi Matte lipstick. It is in the shade of 12 FOMO. So these 3 lipstick works nicely when you are traveling because you have this brown nude, you have this pink nude, and you have a bright purplish color. So it's for my skin tone. I really love those things. Then we have this fluffy brush. You know, when we need, we don't know. And then we have the CC cream from Lakme. It's in the shade of Honey, I guess. Yes, the shade of 02 Honey. Sometimes I really feel like using only CC cream when I am traveling. So I always carry this thing because especially when I am into a road trip or something like that, I usually use this CC cream. It's quite good and it matches perfectly with my skin tone, so I really love this thing. After that, here is a combination of tweezer and razor. Sometimes we really need that. Then I have this blush. It's from Tarte and the shade of Ornate, and it is a really nice color. Like, I really love this color, and it's a regular color, so you can apply whenever you feel like. Okay, then we have this tint. This is from Benefit. It's a really travel friendly size, so I always carry this with me. I have picked up this from Kuala Lumpur airport, so I don't know you can get this in India or not. Then I have carried this K Beauty kajal, and another one from Benefit. It is their Dandelion Dew. This is a very nice blush because it gives a very nice glow on your cheeks. At the same time, it also works as a highlighter, so I really love this thing. After that, I have this Maybelline gel liner which comes with this brush, and this is the Becca highlighter in the shade of Opal. Like, that was the liquid thing, and this is the powder formula. So this is how it looks like. It's highly pigmented, and it is very good travel friendly size, so I always try to carry that. So yeah, this is pretty much for makeup thing. And beside that, we have this razor. We never know when we need that. Another flat brush. This brush, I guess, comes with that Nykaa eyeshadow palette. And here are some random beauty sponge, some hair bands, some hair clips, and these earbuds, because we really need to clean up our wing eyeliners. And other than that, I usually do not carry too much skincare products when I'm traveling for 2 to 3 days. I only carry 5 things. Like, first, this is the Rise Water Bright Eye and Lip Makeup Remover from the Face Shop. This is this is also from the Rise Water Bright range from the Face Shop, and this is their cleansing water. This is also from the Rise Water Bright range, so I really love these things. Beside that, I have carried one more cleanser which my dermatologist has suggested me, so I'm not showing you that. And other than all those skincare thing, I have carried this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, which is right now I'm using. My dermatologist has suggested me to use this. So yeah, this is pretty much for my makeup and skincare bag when I'm traveling. I really hope you find something useful. This is pretty much for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. See you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and stay beautiful. Bye.